Welcome to yet another episode of Applied Salesforce. In this episode, I will walk you through conditional rendering and one-way data binding inside Lightning Web Components. I've just taken a simple example of a component which is built on the Lightning card, comprises of three parts: icon, title, that's the first part, the checkbox, the second, and the image, the third. Okay, this is the idea. I just got this idea because Valentine's Day is around the corner, and what better time than now to have a component like this that you could embed inside the love application that you build to get the inputs from your crush. That's the lighter side. So without much ado, let me flip over to the code. The code is pretty simple. The lightning card and the title and icon. It comprises of a main div and couple of nested divs. Okay, couple of nested divs. The first div houses the checkbox. I have this event linked to the event handler. Upon change of the checkbox, you check, uncheck the checkbox. This event handler gets invoked. And the second part is where the image based on the the input, whether you check the checkbox or the checkbox is unchecked, this gets toggled. So the heart image and the broken heart image, these two images are loaded inside the static resource, and the name I've given the name as LWC resources, and this is how the folder looks. Okay, the folder structure. It's a zip folder, LWC resources, CSS, images, and JS. Inside images, you have these two files, broken heart and heart. Okay, so that pretty much comprises the HTML. And then look at the JavaScript. These are all standard. So I have a handle to the resource, the static resource. It's named as love resource. And I have gotten the handle to the heart and broken heart images, named it as heart and broken heart. And then this is the event handler, which assigns the Boolean value to the toggle checkbox, which is which is decorated with a track, and this is any changes to this would impact or reflect inside your markup. That's the one-way data binding I spoke about, right? So any changes to this property, right, it forces your markup to render. Okay, so the checkbox, if checked, this gets evaluated and you see the heart image. Unchecked, this gets evaluated and you see the broken heart image. Okay, and the CSS is again pretty simple. The pumping of heart, right? So you see the pumping of heart here. So this transition, right? So this effect is through this transition, just a couple of lines of CSS code. So the initial width of the image, this is 95%, and as you hover over the image, it transitions to 100%, and the transition is not immediate. It takes 1 second to transition, and it is smoothened. That's the reason we give it as ease out. Okay, and the main div, you find the main div here. The main div has a class called main div, and it has the display as flex. That's the reason why you see now the checkbox and your image falling next to each other, and the margin, which gives you the space, enough space between love and the image. Okay, and yeah, so this is fairly standard. Your component is made available on record page, home page, and app page. Okay, so that's it, and I believe that you will definitely make use of this component in your love app. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.